Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Scarlett Fu, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Christine Aquino. Christine, what are you looking at?
Well, Paul, let's start with the red today, shall we? That is Nvidia, of course. It's been all over the news this morning. So ticker NVDA. Those shares are down more than 2%. So we know, right, that the headline is SoftBank selling its entire stake in Nvidia to bankroll their own AI investments. Now, to put it into context, though, the stake is worth $5.8 billion. Wow. That's kind of a drop in the bucket, though. Like, for us normal folk, it's a lot of money. You know, like, I can retire off of that. But for these companies, it's not really that much, you know, and SoftBank saying that they do have a lot of projects they want to fund. There's target data centers, AI robot manufacturing sites. And so this is mainly a necessary financing measure. Very interesting, though, because their executives were asked, is this you trying to stave off an AI bubble, trying to prepare for that? But they kind of sidestepped the question. CFO Yoshimitsu Goto of SoftBank saying that they can't say whether we're in an AI bubble or not, but this measure is merely a financing step.
Right. If nothing else, it shows how much capital is needed to chase AI investments. Let's take a look at Paramount Skydance, which I initially typed in PARA, but realized that
It's changed.
It's changed. It's a new ticker. Exactly.
It's a good ticker, though. PSKY.
PSKY. Yeah. It's very, it rolls off the tongue easily. But yes, Paramount Skydance, PSKY, those shares are doing well this morning, up more than 11% now. So extending some of their opening gains there. And again, we saw their financial report results for the first time since a new investor group took over in August. The third quarter revenue missing a little bit, $6.7 billion versus analyst forecast for $6.87 billion. But the good news here really is the fact that they are raising their cost savings goal. It is now $3 billion. They're also planning an additional 1,600 person workforce reduction. And analysts also commenting on some of the areas that they're investing in. So Bloomberg Intelligence saying that they're really trying to ramp up their investment in content, which is going to be a good generator of future revenue. And JP Morgan also noting that their main priority at the moment is direct-to-consumer services. And that's really going to be important in driving engagement and higher quality growth. And so they're optimistic in the company's future prospects here.
And are they going to buy/merge with Warner Brothers Discovery? That's kind of the big question.
That's still a big question.
Unanswerable right now.
Yeah, yes. Estee Lauder?
Yeah, let's take a look at Estee Lauder as well. So ticker EL. Those shares doing well today. They're up 0.6%, so slightly lower from their opening gains of nearly 1%. But they're still up because Argus raised their recommendation for the company to buy from hold. They also raised their EPS estimates for 2026 and 2027. And the strategist Argus saying that, their management has increased innovation significantly and they're entering new channels. Amazon Premium Beauty, Sephora, and Ulta all kind of open for the company at the moment in terms of where they put their products. We did get results from Estee Lauder not too long ago at the end of October. Those beat expectations, but the Asia Pacific net sales missed estimates. And so now investors are going to be looking forward to their annual meeting, which is coming up on Thursday.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.